Hi world, Jay Nice, signing on. I wanted to talk to you guys today about biotin. It has been a week since I first started taking biotin. Today is December 8th, Thursday. I started taking biotin I started taking it last Thursday. Okay. So I was taking the 1,000 microgram bottle from Walmart. It wasn't the Spring Valley. It was like some other off-brand. It was in a purple bottle. But no complaints so far. I wanted you guys to look at my face. I don't know. I still have this bump from last week. It was there last week, this thing. But for the most part, my face is pretty clear. I mean, I don't have the best skin in the world. My skin could be better. But it's, it's for the most part, my skin is pretty clear. Thank goodness I don't see any side effects so far. I've been drinking tons of water. Usually I only drink about, prior to taking biotin, I was drinking maybe, if I were to make an estimation, probably 8 to 16 ounces per day, which is extremely low. Like, I just don't drink that much. I eat a lot and I just sip. And I've always been a water drinker. Like, I'm cool with drinking water. It's just that I don't drink that much of it. And the last time I went to the doctor, he had told me that I needed to drink more water. So I was afraid. I didn't want to see any side effects. I didn't want my skin to break out because I am really pale, especially now that it's the winter. So any little bump that I get on my face, like, it looks horrible. If my skin was darker, bumps are just bad. Pimples are bad in the first place, but I feel like the lighter you are, the more noticeable it is. So it really sucks when I do get like bumps here and there, especially in the winter because I'm so pale. I'm super pale in the winter. So yeah, but I haven't seen any. My face is pretty clear. Maybe it's because I've been drinking tons of water. My hair is up. I didn't do it today, obviously. And I don't really see any results yet, but I know that the hair, I'll probably see that maybe in a month or so. And I just got my hair done. It's up, so you can't really tell. But when I got it cut, I got it trimmed. And I think she took a little too much off. She took like an inch of my hair off, which I feel like for a trim you should only take about half an inch. But so probably in a month I'll see how things are. I think in a few days, probably this weekend, I'm gonna up my dosage and take 2 pills. So I'd be taking 2,000 micrograms per day. I'm really apprehensive about switching brands. The Spring Valley, I've watched a lot of other YouTube videos, and a lot of people say that though that particular brand has broke them out. I'm afraid switching brands might cause me to break out. I don't think it's necessarily the dosage, because the type of biotin pills that I take are, they're not the capsules. They're like the more flat type of pill. I don't know how to describe it, but it actually melts it dissolves. It's fast dissolving. You don't need water. So I can just put it on my tongue and it'll melt. So you don't need water to take it. And I think that if I switch to maybe the GNC brand or Spring Valley, it might, because my skin is really sensitive, it might cause me to break out. I don't know, but I'm probably just gonna buy a whole ton of that particular brand because as far as I can see right now, it's been a week and my body has had, as far as breakouts, I have had no reaction to it. So I will probably just buy a whole rack of those pills, those biotin tablets, and I will just take different dosages. I'll probably end up going to 4,000 micrograms per day, but I don't want to shock my system. I want to take it little by little by little. And that's what I was also going to tell you guys. If anyone is interested in taking biotin, I haven't seen any results yet. But like, I want my eyebrows to grow thicker. I would want my eyelashes to get longer, and my nails haven't really, I haven't really seen any difference in my nails. I'm only taking 1,000. They kind of look dirty right now. I'm only taking 1,000 micrograms, so maybe upping my dosage, I'll see a little bit of results. The primary reason I started taking biotin is because my eyebrows are so thin. I wish they were thicker. I kind of try to fill them in a little bit, but they're thin. They've always been thin. My nails are super flimsy. And of course I wanted my hair to grow. My hair grows, but I wanted it to grow faster. Wouldn't mind longer eyelashes either. So sorry, I don't have any big news to report just yet, but I'm going to keep taking it. And I would recommend that particular brand to anybody interested in growing out their hair and their nails. I would say advice for anyone trying to take biotin or planning on taking it, start out with the small dosage and see how your body reacts to it, and then up your dosage. Because I truly think that the reason why people break out, a lot of people break out when they use it, is because they're like, you shock your 5,000 micrograms, like the average. I'm sorry this video is so long, by the way. It's like at 7 minutes, but the average amount of biotin that you need per day is about 600 micrograms. I used to take a vitamin, a multivitamin that I had no idea till I looked the other day and I saw it had biotin in it, which is funny because after I started taking it, I noticed my hair was, the speed of that my hair was growing, it was nice. But, 600 is just like average, your daily, how much you're supposed to have per day. So 5,000 micrograms is over 8 times your recommended daily dosage. So obviously you're going to shock your system. So I recommend you taking smaller dosages and getting your body used to it. And once your body is used to it, then taking upping your dosage. I think that's the best way, because you don't want to start taking 5,000. Obviously you're going to see results very quickly. Your hair, nails, and everything's going to grow. But I would rather not sacrifice my skin for that. I can start off with a smaller dosage, go up. So that's my advice to everyone. Now I drink about 64 to 80 I drink 64 to 80 ounces of water per day, which is about 4 or 5, 64 is about 4 water bottles. I drink that every day. I've changed my, I don't drink anything other than water right now because I was scared. I didn't want to, biotin water soluble, so your body has to flush it out. So I'm trying to give my body a lot of water, a lot of fluid, so that it can completely flush it out. So yeah, you make sure you up your water intake. I haven't seen any acne as far as I know. I'm going to keep taking it. I'll update you guys every week. I've watched a lot of videos of people before I started taking biotin, and they'll like start the update and then they won't finish, and I'm like, what happened? Did biotin work? Did it not work? So yeah, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated for as long as I keep taking it. So hopefully anybody interested in taking biotin can watch my videos and get tips, helpful hints. I'm so sorry this video is like 9 minutes, which is super long. I didn't think I'd be talking for this long, but I can talk a lot. So I'm going to check you guys out next week. I'm upping my dosage to 2,000, which is 2 pills per day, starting this weekend. So maybe I'll make another video next weekend before Christmas time. But I'll see you guys later. Ooh, it's 10 minutes now. That's a long video. Have a good day.